How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps for your Firestick device in 2025. And without any further ado, the first step that you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to the Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick, open that search bar, and now start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on Downloader, and there's the app that you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, you'll go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make one appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And now what you have to do in here is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I would connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate Downloader, and open it up, finally. And now here in the search bar, what you gotta do is enter the code, which will be 13456766. So once again, it's 13456766. That is the code we have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started, so we just wait a bit until it is finished. And then after the app was downloaded, of course we also have to install it to our device. So click install, and now the app should be installed in a couple of seconds. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick. Here it is. Let's open it. And there you will find the app which we just installed. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And just like that, we got the first amazing app for you today, but it is not the last one for you. So let's go back to the loader and I'll get you even more amazing applications. So we just have to click on home again, erase that previous code, and now use another code for the Fire TV stick. So the code number 2 will be 6471190. So once again, it's 6471190. That's the code for a second application. Then, just like previously, click on go and wait until the app number 2 starts downloading to the Fire TV stick. And here we go, the download of the second app also has started, and now the app will finish installing to the device. Then again, we click on install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to your Firestick. And then of course click on done and delete unnecessary files from your device. And then again, if you go back to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, which is right here for us, we'll open it and there's the second amazing spicy app which we got. So let's put it up front as well, and now we already have 2 amazing applications, and it's not over yet, so I have one more great app for you. Let's just head back into the downloader, click on home again, erase that previous code which is not needed anymore, and now the last code for today will be 307888. So once again, it's 307888. That's the last code we are using today. Click on go and let's start downloading the third application today. And here we go, the download has started. So just wait until everything is finished and make sure to install the app to your device. As always, don't forget to delete unnecessary files from your Fire TV stick. And lastly, go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait for it to properly load, and here's the third application we got for you. So enjoy all those amazing applications, and of course don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay totally anonymous online. See you next time. Bye bye.